how to save your phone number in your login information in your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then as you see, when your Instagram is opening, you go down and you open your profile. Then you go to this three line, then click, and then go to settings and click again, then go to security. Then after security, you go to saved login info information. Then you go to the second option, saved phone number. Then you turn on this option by clicking in this place like that. Then they said you have to add your phone number, so that they will send you an SMS to verify your number, and like that you can activate this option. So I don't need this. If you need it, you can do it. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. Let's see you next.